Are you feeling tired and sluggish in the morning? Do this the night before to be prepared for the morning. So if you didn't like my green energy drink, you got to try this one. It's the Beetroot Blast. We got 1 beet, 3 carrots. They're cut in half so they fit inside the juicer better. Lemon, 2 apples, 2 oranges, and a 1-inch nub of ginger. Let's go ahead and get this going and I'll explain the ingredients. So for the ginger, it stimulates digestion, circulation, and gives it just a little bit of spice. The lemon is a citrus fruit high in vitamin C, which helps with absorption in the body of iron, and it also combats fatigue. We got our carrots. They offer natural sugars for a quick boost to energy. They also contain vitamin B6, which helps convert food into energy as well. For our beets, beets contain nitrates that can improve blood flow and also give you some stamina. The nice thing about this machine is if it gets jammed, you can put it into reverse and it kicks that piece loose. Then when it's loose, turn it back on. That humming is just the machine grinding up and smashing it, turning the pulp into pulp, and extracting the juice. We're going to throw in our apples. Our apples give it natural sweetness. They have a little bit of natural sugar, and of course, that's an energy boost in itself. As the reservoir fills, that's holding the juice, we'll just unplug it, let it drain. The little black strainer helps get rid of some of that extra pulp, so you just get mainly juice. Listen to the juice flow. All right, so it's all done. All you got to do is pour it into a glass. If you're not going to drink the whole thing and you want to split it into 2, make sure you have a container that you can pour it in that has a lid, just because you don't want it to spill. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. You can definitely taste the beets, but it's not that strong thanks to the apples. The apples and the carrots definitely cut down that really strong beet flavor if you've ever had beets. It's easy to put down. It's not that bad. The only bad thing about playing with beets is your hands turn red and it can stain your clothes. That's good. Can't even taste the ginger. Usually the ginger gives it just a little bit of a punch, a little bit of a spicy flavor, but this is a good drink. Now I used green apples in my recipe. You can use red apples, use whatever apples you want. But I have one more energy juice recipe coming at you. If you don't like vegetables, you got to check this one out. Until next time, Dan the Flavor Guy, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you found this valuable, definitely share it with a friend, because we're all about health. We're all about keeping cancer from coming and keeping it away. Thanks. Until next time.